Hadian baki Paidbah jong ka Hima Sohra kilamino na Phyllaw ka KGDC patla saki ya ka jingsata ki Jaboh kum ki plastic ki bilor lembat ki wei ki Jaboh ki bla bread klem akor ki Paidbah ha Phyllaw wat khamat ge jong KGDC na kalyang ki Ngut ki MDC kata uba powel soklen uba dan zilchen lembat uba Sngi kila sar wat kun khoi hi baro ka wei ka Phyllaw jong ka KGDC
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.